Hello. Today let's talk about a nice comparison video. iPad Pro 2022. This is the M2 version. Against versus the iPad Pro from 2025 with the M5. Wow. The iPad Pros are Apple's ultimate powerhouse tablets. But how much power are you really getting when you pair the 2022 iPad Pro with the M2 chip against the brand new 2025 iPad Pro featuring the M5 chip? Is an upgrade even necessary for you? That's exactly what we are finding out today. Let's go into it. Design and display, okay? Short, we see the design as the M2 version of it. Flat edges, slightly thicker. Even thinner and lighter is the M5 model. So significantly upgrade. Display tech, liquid retina mini LED on 12.9 inches. Ultra retina HDR tandem OLED. Massive upgrade. Yep. Then brightness, up to 1600 nits, HDR peak. The other ones, up to 1600 nits, HDR peak. Similar, but OLED advantage a little bit. But this is not the big thing in it. In terms of design, the M5 model is even sleeker and lighter. A true eye catcher. But the real game changer is the display, of course. Because the M2 Pro still has the great liquid retina HDR, but the M5 Pro adopts the tandem OLED system. Apple calls it Ultra Retina XDR. This means perfect black levels, even more brilliant colors, and unbeatable image quality, especially for creators and videographers. For anyone working professionally with color, this alone is a huge reason to upgrade this. Plus, there's the option to Nano-Texture glass on the top tier models for reducing the reflections. And I'm using that and it's really good. Yeah, really good. Really good. Then the chip system, M2 versus the M5, raw power and AI. The chip is the M2 against the M5, 2 generations apart of it. Then the CPU cores, 8 cores against 9 or 10 cores. More performance, but not super more. AI performance, good neural engine against up to 5.6 times faster than the M1. That means massive Apple Intelligence possibility. RAM, 16 GB against 16 GB. Better RAM availability is right there possible. It's the same. The M5 delivers a massive leap compared to the M2. We are talking about a significantly boost in the CPU and GPU performance, which is particularly noticeable in demanding tasks like 4K video editing, in DaVinci Resolve, or complex 3D rendering. The neural engine is the real star. It is up to 5.6 times faster than the M1 chips, providing the foundation for the new Apple Intelligence feature in the iPad Operating System 26. So if you want to utilize full AI power, you need to go to the M5. Oh yeah. Then of course we have connection, or the connectivity of it, and accessories. There have also been some changes in terms of the ports and accessories too. We have faster network. The M5 Pro supports the Wi-Fi 7, and the cellular models get the new C1X modem. This enables up to 50% faster 5G data connections. And yeah, faster charging. Finally, the M5 Pro supports fast charging. Approximately 50% in 30 minutes are possible. That provides you have a compatible power adapter. And Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard both support the Apple Pencil Pro and the improved Magic Keyboard featuring aluminum palm resting function RAR 2. So, is the upgrade worth it? The iPad Pro M2 is still an extremely powerful tablet that is more than sufficient for the most users, especially for everyday tasks and content creation. However, the iPad Pro M5 is a game changer for the creative professionals and power users. The OLED display and the enormous leap in the AI performance and the graphic performance make it the better long-term investment. particularly for people who intensively use video editing, 3D modeling, or the new Apple Intelligence features. So, what's your take? Are you going to upgrade? Or is the M2 still enough for you? Let me know it in the comments below, please. I prefer the M5, of course. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Sunshine.